Hey friend, Graham Cochrane here. Let me ask you, do you feel like there's just never enough time in your day to get all the stuff done that you need to get done at work? Do you constantly feel behind in your business and find yourself literally running to the bathroom and back again? Okay, is that just me? Now I know from being a business owner and coaching many business owners that most of you feel like your days are just a blur. Maybe you can't seem to wrap your head around the problem with this. And while there's a lot of content out there and a lot of strategies you could employ to stop the crazy train, I want to give you the simplest one thing you can do right now to say bye bye, crazy train, and hello, productivity. I call it the upside down workday, and it couldn't be easier to understand. Think about what most people do when they get into their office at their business every morning. What's the first thing they do? They check their email. And what kind of messages do you think await them when they open their inbox first thing? All kinds of requests and issues and customer complaints and cool business opportunities and bills that are due and spam offers galore. Ugh, why do we do this to ourselves? Why would we start our day by opening up an avalanche of distractions and annoying requests that pull us away from what we actually came in here to do, which is build our business? We shouldn't. And that's why I want you to turn your workday upside down. Instead of coming in at 9 a.m. or 8 a.m. or 10 a.m. or whatever you do and sit down and start your day with email, I want you to start your day with yourself. Specifically, I want you to start with your biggest task or to-do for the day. From now on, your goal is simple. You come into work, and the first thing you do is accomplish your biggest, most important task of the day by lunch. No email. But when do I check email, Graham? I might miss something important. Well, you can check it at lunch. No sooner. There's no reason for you to check email before lunch. Your job isn't returning emails unless you're a paid assistant and that's what you do. Your job is to own your business and grow it. So do that first. Email can wait. Look, if you make this one shift, if you flip your workday upside down and do what I'm telling you to do, here's a bunch of things that are going to change. You'll always be accomplishing the most important thing every single day, guaranteed. You'll be saving time by batching your email into just 1 or 2 times a day, lunch and right before you leave. When you spread out email throughout the day, your inbox is open, it takes longer than if you just do it in batches. You'll be mentally sharp and focused because you're starting with a single task in the morning, not a million random requests from a million different people. You'll naturally be doing your best work on your most important task because you'll be doing it first thing in the morning when you're fresh. And you'll feel a major sense of self-accomplishment and fulfillment knowing that you have banged out the most important task of the day before lunch. And this has very obvious but underrated psychological spillover effects that will benefit you for the rest of the day. Now, 3 quick things you need to implement to actually pull this off effectively. You can't just go cold turkey and expect it to work. 3 very simple things. Number 1, turn off email notifications on your phone. It's one thing to close out of that Gmail tab, which you should do if it's open somewhere. But turn off any notifications on your phone. It's you protecting your morning so that you can get the most important thing done without the bing or the chime or the interaction of an email popping in. Even if you don't read it, you'll know it's there. Same problem. Number 2, social media is just as bad as email. So please stay off social media until lunch. Also, there's no reason you should be checking Instagram or Facebook or Twitter before you do the most important thing of your day. It only distracts you. Do your most important thing. Then at lunchtime, you can check your feed. And finally, to pull this off, you will need to have a clear written list of your 3 mission critical tasks the day before you come in to do this. So from now on, at the end of your workday, pull out a sticky pad or a legal pad or use your phone, whatever, to write down what are the 3 mission critical things I got to do tomorrow. No more than 3. If you have more than 3, you're just kidding yourself. You can't do more than 3 mission critical things in a day. That's ridiculous. So write down the 3 with the most important one at the top and set that aside on your desk so that when you come in the morning, you can look at it and go, yep, I need to do this one thing before lunch. Got it? It's that simple. The upside down workday. Everyone comes in And they start with email. They start with, everybody tell me what I need to do today. Tell me what you want from me. And then I'm going to be spreading myself thin all day. And then at the end of the day, feel like I got nothing accomplished. Who am I? I'm not satisfied because I'm not able to do all these things for all these people. And I certainly didn't get any progress on my business. That's what everyone's doing. They even do that in the corporate world. Email's killing the corporate world. So do the opposite of what everyone else is doing. Come in, flip that upside down. Start with yourself and accomplish the most important thing by lunch. Save email, save social media to lunch at the earliest. End of the day is even better. Batch it all and come in and rinse and repeat the next day. You might feel like you're a crazy person because you're not as connected as you once were. But guess what, crazy person? You'll be accomplishing more than everybody else on planet Earth, which will allow you to make as much money as you need so you can rest and relax and kick back when everyone else is hustling and scrambling because email has dominated their day because that's what they started with. Not for you, not for me. Deal? Deal. Thanks for watching. Leave me a comment below. Let me know. Do you like the upside down workday? Do you do this? Are you going to take me up on this? Or are you just going to listen to me and go, great idea, Graham? I'd love your thoughts and feedback. As always, thanks for watching and subscribing, and I will see you, my friend, on another video real soon.